I don't know. I don't know what to say. Spotify is doing everything except giving us real-time lyrics. So real-time lyrics has been rumored for so long, but Spotify was like, nope. Let's drop a Clubhouse competitor, and we're gonna call it Spotify Greenroom. So yeah, Spotify just dropped this new app. It's a whole different app called Spotify Greenroom. This is how it looks right here. Boom. Before we jump into all the features and specs, let's take a quick word from today's sponsor, NordPass. So if you're like me and you always forget your passwords, or you're just tired of clicking the reset my password button, then you should check out today's sponsor, NordPass. NordPass gets rid of all the fuss around passwords, it autofills forms, remembers an unlimited number of passwords, and even generates complex one for you. So don't be that person that uses the same passwords for everything, because it's not safe. NordPass also recognizes suspicious websites so you don't accidentally reveal your sensitive information and you can stay safe online. Trust me, this is what I use every single day and it gets the job done. Today you could get 70% off NordPass at www.nordpass.com/Shevon, or you could just use code Shevon at checkout. Alright, so yeah, Spotify Greenroom. Spotify just dropped it, and if you guys didn't know, they just bought this company not too long ago called Locker Room, and I guess it's built up on that. So yeah, this is how the whole app looks and everything. And in order to download it, it's very simple. As of right now, I think it's available on the App Store and the Google Play Store. So you guys could just jump on into the App Store, hit the download button, then you're set. Now the setup process was also super simple. Once you jump into the app, you get the option to just create a whole new profile, or just log in with your Spotify profile. So if you already had a Spotify profile, it would be easier, but then you have to enter your real name, you have to enter your date of birth, and you actually have to upload a profile picture. So after you finish all of that, you hit next, you jump into the Spotify room, but then now they ask you a couple interests, so they're gonna see if you're interested in pop culture, what type of music you're into, what type of sports you're into, just trends and urban culture, stuff like that, arts and crafts, all that stuff, because then again, it's an app where you jump in to talk to other people with the same interests. It's almost like Club Room, but it's for Spotify. But there's also a couple differences. Now, one unique feature that Spotify Greenroom has is the ability to record sessions. So Greenroom session creators can record their rooms, and then after the end of every session, Spotify would email you the recording of the session, which is kind of cool. Another cool difference is the inclusion of the live chat. So it's a feature where it's a feature that everyone has been asking for Clubhouse. Basically, you could chat about the ongoing topic or ask questions using the live chat feature. So I'm gonna just jump into the app right now to show you guys a general overview. All right, so quick overview of the app. As I said before, it's a whole different app, so it would look like this. Green room, you jump in, and quick overview, you could just see all the different type of rooms you could join. So for example, I kind of like this content creator one. So everything has like groups. So you can see I joined that group right there. So we could just join the room. Let's see if we could go in. It's not letting me. Hold on, let's see. Okay, we're in. It's kind of buggy. So everyone gets gems based on how good they're doing, blah, blah, blah. If I wanted to speak, you could see other people in the room down the bottom here. If I wanted to speak, I would have to like ask to speak, and the guy would like request. All right, so now I'm a speaker. Boom.
Eliza, what do you like about it?
So I just muted my mic, but I got one gem.
It's really cool because I have a different community
And
on there that I don't
Ed just gave me a gem. It's kind of nice.
So it's been really cool to have I don't know, in-depth conversations.
Down the bottom here. See, a lot of people are giving me gems. I don't know why they're giving me a gem. But yeah, this is the live chat feature down here. So with the live chat, you could, if you're not a speaker, you could still voice your opinions on everything. You can see how long this has been going on for, 2 hours. And yeah, that's basically it. You have your notifications, you could search for groups, all of that stuff. Over here, you could see all your gems earned, the groups you're in, people you're following. Over here, you have the calendar, upcoming events and all of that. But yeah, that's basically it. It's a very polished app. I really like it. Boom. Now back to Shevon. Alright, so that wraps it up for today's video. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe for more like this, and Spotify, if you're watching this, where's the real-time lyrics? We need it, bruh. We need that real-time lyrics. That's all we need. We don't need all this Clubhouse bull. But yeah, as usual, love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.